Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we got some exciting news to share with you, and guess what? It's all about you, our incredible Pawns.app community spread across the globe. Last year, you all amazed us with the fantastic results in numbers. This year is shaping up to be even bigger and better. We're absolutely thrilled and proud of our community, and we can't wait to share the highlights with you. So stick around to find out more about your fellow Pawns.app users and just how big our community is. Trust us, you'll be blown away when you realize the magnitude of what we've built with your help. Let's start with the heart of the action, our awesome community. It's growing with the speed of light, and we couldn't be more thrilled to see all of you diving into our content and getting hyped about the latest Pawns.app updates. Now, let's talk numbers. This year, we've hit some seriously impressive milestones. About a massive community, right? Time to talk about downloads. Brace yourselves, because Pawns.app has been downloaded over a whopping 2 million times in the Google Play Store alone. And that's not all. We've racked up over 60,000 reviews with a stellar average rating of 4.6 stars. Plus, we've welcomed a jaw-dropping 4 million users into the Pawns.app global family. In 2023 alone, with each and every one of you recognizing the earning potential of Pawns.app, our community is bound to keep growing. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and check out more exciting updates about Pawns.app on our channel. Keep earning, and we'll catch you soon.